in a straight line. There's one last thing that I had up here that I didn't want to forget to show you. Degrees, minutes, seconds. Degrees are already small. Think of 1 degree on a circle. How small is 1 degree? Really small. Do you know that you can take that one little degree and break it up into 60 pieces? They'd be called minutes. Yeah, I know minutes are time, but minutes are also degrees. If you take 1 degree, break it up into 60 little pieces, it's called, those are each a minute. And if you take each minute, now you're getting into microscopic things. And if you take each little minute and break it into 60 pieces, those are called seconds. And so they're really, really tiny. So minutes are 1/60th of a degree. Seconds are 1/3600th of a degree. So if you want to convert from degrees to minutes and seconds, 40.45 degrees, you have 0 degrees. So you would keep the 0 in degrees. But the 0.45 you could convert into minutes and seconds. So you take the 0.45, which is a decimal, is 0.45. As a fraction, is 45 hundredths. And you would say, how many, if I have 45 hundredths, how many would I have if it was out of 60? Because that's what minutes are broken up into. That's what degrees are broken into. So if I've got 45 hundredths, which is what this fraction says, then how many out of 60 would that make? And you can just do your cross multiplying. Or you could reduce early if you want to, but you could just cross multiply. You'll get 100x equals, you do 45 times 60. And that's 2,700. And if you divide both sides by 100, that means you get 27 minutes. Minutes is 1 tick mark. Minutes lies like feet. It's like a 1 tick mark, but that's minutes. Seconds are like inches. They got the 2 tick marks. So that would be 27 feet. That's how they got that one. So if you look at the second one here, 245 degrees is already written for you right there. This time they want you to go from minutes to decimals. They want you to go from minutes to decimals. This is even easier because 10 minutes is simply 10 out of 60. It's 10 minutes out of the total 60 minutes that you could have if you just simply divide those two numbers. So you take your calculator and you do 10 divided by 60, you'll get that 0.167. That's how they got that 0.167. That's how they got that. So if you just take the 10 minutes and divide it by 60 minutes, you're going to get your decimal. So if they wanted decimal degrees, then you're going to take the minutes divided by 60. If they want the decimal to become minutes, then you got to set up your little proportion and solve it. Okay, so let's try this last one we just did already. This one's already up there. So this was 245.167. Let's try this one though. You're going to take 15 and divide it by 60. You're going to take 12 and divide it by 3,600 because those are seconds. There's 3,600 of those seconds inside of a degree. So let's take the 15 and divide it by 60 first. That's 0.25. 0.25. And then let's take 12 and divide it by 3,600. That's going to be really tiny. 0.003. 0.003 with a bar on 3. Goes on forever. Because these are seconds. It's like, you can almost think of it like hours. There's 60 minutes in an hour, and there's 60 seconds in a minute. So 60 times 60 would be the 3,600 seconds in the hour. So there's 3,600 seconds in a degree. So you're going to add these two together, which is going to be 0.253. You can keep the bar on the 3, and you're going to bring down the 125. So this would be your answer right there. So That's to convert it from the minutes and seconds to a decimal. So that's going to be on your homework tonight too. I just wanted to show you that.